Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a dropshipping website using WooCommerce. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, start by choosing a reliable web hosting provider with a one-click WordPress installation feature. Once you've selected your hosting, register a domain name that reflects your business. Next, log into your hosting account and find the option to install WordPress. Follow the prompts to install WordPress on your domain. After installation, access your WordPress dashboard by visiting your domain followed by /wp-admin. Now, click on Plugins in the left menu and select Add New. Search for the WooCommerce plugin in the search bar. Install and activate the WooCommerce plugin. Once activated, the WooCommerce setup wizard will open. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your store's basic settings, including currency, payment methods, and shipping options. After completing the setup, go to Appearance and then Themes to select a suitable theme for your online store. Install and activate a WooCommerce compatible theme. Next, navigate to Products in the left menu and select Add New to start adding products to your store. Add product titles, descriptions, and images, and set the price for each item. Be sure to enable product visibility to allow customers to see them. Now, if you're using dropshipping, integrate a dropshipping plugin like Dropship or Spocket. Install and configure the chosen dropshipping plugin to connect your store with suppliers. Import products from the dropshipping platform that you wish to sell. Organize your store by creating categories for your products in WooCommerce. Go to WooCommerce and click on Settings to fine-tune your store's tax, shipping, and payment methods. Check your store's settings to ensure everything aligns with your business model. Once all the settings are in place, preview your website to check for design and functionality. Finally, go live by removing any maintenance mode settings and promote your store to attract customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.